Hello guys, I just wanted to go over the volume shelf here. So here's been a couple of our plays recently. So we had CMG last week. I'll show you on TrendSpider, great site to use. So here's CMG. Um, you have this set up here. You see this these bars on the side here. That's the volume shelf here, that purple line, good area of support. Um, So that's the reason why we took this trade last week. You can see we sold on this red die kind of near the high it opened, and we took it on, I believe, this day or this day. But we made a good penny there, around 50% on the trades. We had two lottos that went 100% each, so those worked out. We also did the same thing on Restoration Hardware here, RH. Bought here, sold here. So same setup there. We also had a lotto that worked out and one that didn't. Here we have another volume shelf. You can see the volume here, the purple line. So this is the reason why we took these plays. This is the reason why we added our edge today off this mini inside day. I still think we get more upside there. Same thing here. We entered this today. Of course, yeah, we pushed up a little bit today. We're going to wait for a dip to add more. But you can see the long volume shelf here. Good upside. Continued the uptrend, and we're still in it. Had its mini pullback. Looked like a perfect flag, actually, if you see that like flag forming here, flat across, and then started to break out now. So, those are the reason why we got those plays. Let's see what else we have here. We had BA, which is something I've been watching. We actually played that today for a mini play. Right here, another volume shelf. A lot of volume here. You see another like flag forming possibly. Could possibly do an SWKS move, start to break out of this flag and go higher. And also another thing with these is there's earnings coming up. So with that, they could possibly have a run up to earnings. Same thing with Facebook. We could go over this too. Look at this. Volume shelf here. You see all these volume bars, the purple line. Again, 14 and 30 SMAs, the green and yellow here. So, this is what, just another strategy we use to find plays and, choose what is best. Obviously, this one didn't work out specifically, and it happens. You see that support there, and then we just broke through today. But not all of our plays work. And if all of our plays worked, we would be multi-millionaires. So you just gotta, keep trying. Out of all the volume shots I did, this is a pretty good strategy. I've had a lot of success with it. So I'm going to continue to use it, when I see it, and back check it out, of course, with my own supports and resistances. Other than that, just to go over a little market review here, we're kind of, I still think we're looking a little iffy here. We filled this gap going across right here for this one. Still need to fill this one up here at 318, 319. But good news is we did break out of this 3154. All depends what happens in the next minute, which I don't think we're going to go, lower. But that 3154 was big, so we got out of that area, and it looks like we can go higher. Of course, pullbacks can happen. Look at 31.35 to 31.43 as your support. So like a $2 to $3 move downwards possibly. Then we'll break out of this level possibly and go to this 319, gap fill. If we break that, we go to the 32.30, and then if we break that, possibly all-time highs at 3,400. So yeah, that's what we're looking at here. You see this 30-minute, we were kind of chopping all day. So it was a premium burn day. Here's that inside day again, just to show you guys. So I really like this play here. I think we break out to all-time highs like CMG did today. I actually expected CMG to break out to all-time highs by this Tuesday, and it seems like we did that today. So, let's just keep that on watch. Another one to possibly watch is JD. And you can see we have a lot of volume on this side. Put a toppy candle here. So we'll follow these plays and see how they work out. But I just wanted to show you guys the strategy that we're using.